Me Salon Fambulem, Unado, this na Alpha Saidu Bangura, they bring to una another edition of Kapu Sense No Kapu Word. Today, Monday, October 23, 2017. In this edition, I go talk to una about the convention where the Sierra Leone People's Party, the SLPP, all na Dallas, Texas, na the United States of America this weekend. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, we all know say the SLPP just recently do elect Julius Maada Bio as the flag bearer for the party. Before that, I've been campaigning against Julius Maada Bio. I felt all kind faith for make the SLPP no go pick him as flag bearer. But when the party go pick a flag bearer na Freetown, the party vote for Julius Maada Bio in huge numbers and then take the party in flag, then give Julius Maada Bio. Me na a long-standing member of the SLPP. I have invested a lot of time and energy that the party. After they elect Julius Maada Bio as flag bearer by democratic principles, the party appeal to we all we not be support them for let we rally around them in the interest of the party for let the party win. Me mama we born me we after God na in the next mortal man of my life, he appealed to me. He say in the interest of the SLPP, let we support Julius Maada Bio because now in the people they want. And me not join the SLPP because now grandpa them begin the party. I join the SLPP because I believe in what the party stand for. And the party don't use democratic principles. Then don't elect Julius Maada Bio. All the people them we run with Julius Maada Bio, they all accept the result. None can they not petition against the result, which means the elections were done in accordance with democratic principles, when are one of the core values of the SLPP. We long-term people like he say, mortal man, you for left something, forsake something. Therefore, in the interest of the SLPP, I don't put everything behind me. I don't agree for rally around Julius Maada Bio for make we party go win. In Dallas, Texas, this last Saturday, the National Secretary General of the SLPP, Umaru Koroma, we boku people they call Napoleon, appealed to me and all the one that will be there against Julius Maada Bio. For let we put aside with differences, let we all come together and support the party for make the party go win. He pinpoint me. He say all the concerns they will be raised. The party don't take measures for correct them so that they not go happen again. Fellow Sierra Leoneans, I dey repeat again, and I want to understand that this way. The Almighty God, he know they come out up, he can talk to person. Mortal man not for say, now what you want no more, now all man for do. It's either my way or the highway. That one day not to the right way for live among people them. Even as a Muslim, the Prophet Muhammad alayhi salam, he been there around people them, he be they condemn the thing they wouldn't they do, he they tell them what thing God want, what thing right in the sight of God. But at the end of the day, he not come out around them, he still there around them, he they guide them small, because mortal man therefore be united. So I hear yesterday all over social media, people and they condemn me, people and believe say I don't betray them. This is not about Alpha Saidu Bangura, nor is it about the SLPP in candidates them, Julius Maada Bio or John Benjamin. This is about the party. We all be don't see in 2002 when members of the APC take President Ernest Koroma, then can go court. People there like Ambassador Eddie Toure, people there like the late Abdul Seri Kamal Mohamed Bangura, then a court for over 4 years. They spend millions of leons. At the end of the day, the party call them. They say, una come around, una rally around President Ernest Koroma because now the party don't pick as the flag bearer. Eddie Toure, Abdul Seri Kamal, they all be listening to that appeal. They rally around President Ernest Koroma. Now that make a win in 2007. The same thing happened in America also day. Ted Cruz campaigned against Donald Trump. Bitter one. But at the end of the primary elections, the Republican Party vote for Donald Trump, then gear the flag. Ted Cruz come, he endorse him, he support him in the interest of the Republican Party. So I believe say that the right thing for do. That make in the interest of the SLPP who I love so much, why don't invest a lot of time in a rally around Julius Maada Bio, and I call on all me numerous supporters and fans, let them understand that position there because it is the right thing to do. Mortal man, you for always get a place in your heart for forgive and for come together with your company them in the interest of the common cause. For 10 years now, the APC don't show say they're not able to run Sierra Leone. The only alternative what the people of Sierra Leone get right now for support the SLPP. And all the Afaf Chamot that will be get, we don't agree for use civilized conditions under which we go resolve them all in the interest of the SLPP. I think say that is the right thing to do. I no go campaign power per se, waiting the majority of the members of the SLPP want, me no go want them. I no go team up the fight against the will or the wish of the majority. I don't believe say that is within Islamic principles or even go be the right thing for me for do. When the party don't take a decision, me as a member of the party, I for take them as a moral obligation for respect that decision day. We all see what in the happen right now the APC. People like Alpha Khan, people like Petito, they call on the supporters, they let them accept waiting the APC don't decide where President Ernest Koroma single-handedly, they don't use no democratic principles where the Constitution of Salon demand President Ernest Koroma being the almighty the APC single-handedly pick Samura Kamara. And according to President Ernest Koroma, he picked Samura Kamara because Samura Kamara na incredible pass Alpha Khan, na incredible pass Victor Fo, na incredible pass all the people them we run for the party flag. But very soon, I will begin for expose Samura Kamara for let una know say he is not credible at all. But for this segment, I want to make una, me numerous supporters and me fans them understand me position for rally around Julius Maada Bio. It was based on the interest of the party. When the party don't decide on something, a huge number of the party, the majority of the party don't decide on Julius Maada Bio. Me, as a member of the party, believe say I for support and respect that decision day in the interest of the party. Mortal man, you not for say now what you want no more your way. You for respect the views, you for respect the wish of the majority of people there. Until next week, we will bring to another edition. This na Alpha Saidu Bangua de Setata.